So hello everyone, welcome to EduTech. I hope guys you are preparing really hard for your upcoming examination. Talking about the lecture of the day guys, today I will be discussing with you another important report that has been released recently, that is the Leeds report of 2022. So what is Leeds? Leeds is basically logistics ease across different states, which is a report which is being released under Ministry of Commerce and Industry. So in today's lecture guys, we will be discussing the organizations who are involved in the releasing of this specific survey. Then we will also be discussing about the indicators, parameters or categories of this report. We will be discussing about the ranking in this specific report, and at the last we will also be discussing about how this report will be helping in some of the government initiatives that government is planning in the future or they are still in progress. But before that guys, I just wanted to give you a glimpse of this very important and a comprehensive book that you should have in your mind is this guidebooks. So if I talk about these guidebooks, you have lots of doubts. इसके लिए आप different videos पे search करते हो. For example, what is the syllabus pattern of the examination? What is the age criteria of the examination? ठीक है? What are the sources that you need to follow for the different phases of the examination? And then previous year cutoffs. Okay, what are the previous year cutoffs? These are the doubts that keep on hovering around your mind. ठीक है जी? Now the important thing here, ठीक है? Along with that, you might be wondering, okay, what will be your preparation for the interview? ठीक है? What are the sources that you need to follow? And if I tell you, there is again a bonus for you, 6-step domination formula, that how you could dominate this examination is all being given in this specific guidebook. If I just give you a glimpse of this guidebook, ठीक है? तो देखो यहाँ पे बताया हुआ है phases of the examination, eligibility criteria is being given here. Along with that, if I tell you here about more about this is, see, the cutoffs have also been given here, that is in this specific guidebook. And it's not just for RBI guys. On a similar line, we have made the guidebooks for the students of NABARD and for the students of SEBI examination. And if you guys are thinking that you have to pay us some money, it's not guys. You do not have to pay us even a single penny. This is absolutely free. आपको सिर्फ एक चीज करनी है. There is a link given in the description below. Download these guidebooks from these specific links and tell us about your feedbacks also, that how it has helped in your preparation. Now guys, coming to the question of the day, the first question I'm asking is, which among the following organizations are involved in the releasing of this Leeds report, that is the 4th edition has been released this year of this logistic ease across different states report. So if I talk about the answer here is, that is option number A, Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. So Niti Aayog and FICCI have not been a member here. If I talk about this thing, Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade along with Ernst and Young LLP have basically released this year's Leeds report, or they have conducted a survey also on the Leeds. Now coming to the second question is, we should discuss about the indicators here. That is the second question. Which among the following statements is or are correct about the Leeds report? It has adopted a classification grading under the 3 categories. Then it focuses on 4 established pillars, and aspirant states are the states which are moving towards becoming a achiever state. So you have to tell me which statement given here are correct about this report. So guys, again I will tell you one thing here. Pause the video here. Try to solve the question if you have gone through the report, because this is how you could analyze yourself. अगर आपने report पढ़ी भी हुई है, तो you could analyze yourself. But if you have not read the report, then also don't worry, I will be covering this thing. So if I talk about these things here guys, all the things given here are incorrect. Yes, none of these above statements are correct here. If I talk about the classification is given on 4 categories, that is landlocked areas, coastal areas, northeastern region, okay, union territories. Now if I talk about, it has not been established on 4 pillars, 3 pillars पे established हुआ है, और aspirant states नहीं होते, they are basically the fast moving states who are in a category of becoming an achiever states. ठीक है, aspirant states are who have just started their journey on the logistic infrastructure. ठीक है, so there are 3 categories: achiever, fast moving, or you could say fast mover, and then you have your aspirant. So these are the categories under which your states are basically being, this is how these states are being differently ranked here. So if I talk about thing, it is basically working on 3 pillars, that is infrastructure, services and operations and regulatory environment. These are the 3 infrastructure things. That's the thing that I discussed with you. 4 categories, कौन सी जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था, coastal areas, hinterland, or you can say landlocked states, northeastern states and union territories. Now what it generally do is, guys, it basically takes the feedbacks from the different sectors. Like you can say, it takes the feedback on the evaluation so that they could classify the states among the different rankings. Okay, and it would also help basically the government so that it could also enable or what should be done by the government to work on the logistics sector. Now when I talk about the performance category, so as I've discussed, there are three categories, that is achievers, fast movers, or the aspirers. So achievers are those states who are running, who are basically implementing this infrastructure basis, but how good they are implementing, this is the achieving states. ठीक है, फास्ट मूव जो मैंने आपको बोला था, प्रोग्रेसिवली बेसिकली दे आर प्रोग्रेसिंग टुवर्ड्स देयर पॉलिसी एंड दे आर इन अ, you can say they are in a way to become the achiever state, and aspirer states are those who have just started the journey towards the logistic and ease of excellence. Now guys, here are the indicators which have been given on different pillars. So if I talk about the pillars, there are three pillars: infrastructure, services and regulatory framework, and here are the indicators that have been given for this year's report. So I will suggest you one thing: you do not have to cram these indicators, you just have an idea about these different indicators that are among these pillars. Okay, so total on an average, if I talk about, there are 15, I can say 15 indicators are there. Okay, 4 are in infrastructure sector, 7 are in the services sector, and 4 are there in your regulatory framework. ठीक है, now if I to give you a hint here, infrastructure में basically क्या quality check हो रही है, quality of road, quality of rail, quality of terminal, quality of warehousing. Services, what you are providing is whether the services that are quality that you are providing are good, that is quality monitoring is basically been turning here. ठीक है जी, reasonable है, timeliness है, ठीक है, ability to track and trace, safety and security, and regulation is basically how you are promoting these things. ठीक है, promoting logistics issues, ease of doing business, ease of entry, other things in the infrastructure in the regulatory framework. Now guys, coming to third question of the day, that is with respect to the rankings that have been released under the Leeds report. Here I am asking you to choose the incorrect one. The first option given is Madhya Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana are among the achiever states under the landlocked category. Kerala is the only fast mover state in the coastal area, and Assam is the only achiever state in the northeastern region. So let's see how many of you have gone through this specific indicator, and let's see how many of you get your answer right here. Okay, so tell me honestly in the comment box also, how many marks do you secure from this 4 questions that I am being asking from this specific report. So here if I talk about, guys, first statement is incorrect. The reason here is Madhya Pradesh is a fast mover state, not an achiever state under the landlocked categories. These two statements are absolutely fine. In the coastal areas, only Kerala is the fast mover state, and in the northeastern region, Assam is the only fast mover, or Assam is the only achiever state. So landlocked states, देखो, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand are the achiever states. Fast mover are Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, and Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand are the aspired states. Now here I give you a trick that how you could solve this question. अब आपको ये सारी याद नहीं करनी. You do not have to memorize each and every achiever state in the landlocked category. You have to memorize the fast mover states and the aspirer states because they are less in number. Fast mover, if you have gone through the report and if you just look at the option, you know Madhya Pradesh is the fast mover state, तो आप फटाफट में ये आंसर गलत कर देते कि this is the wrong answer here. ठीक है? So what you have to do is you do not have to read these states. You have to read the fast mover and aspirer states because this will save your time also, and this will help you in answering the question quickly. Now here you see the fast mover states: Madhya Pradesh, Kerala in the coastal area, Sikkim and Tripura in the northeastern region, and Puducherry in the UT. So which you could easily sell this thing. Okay, fast mover I know. So if an examiner will be quoting any state wrong here, you could easily pinpoint that specific thing. Here in the northeastern region, focus on this state, Assam. So see, Assam is the only state in the northeastern region who is under the achievers category. Sikkim, Tripura are in the fast moving category. Majority of states here are in the aspirers category. Okay, here Kerala is in the fast moving category only, whereas Goa and West Bengal are the aspirer categories. अगर आपको ये नहीं भी याद हो रही है तो you can skip this thing. This is a trick that you have to use when you are preparing for the examination. This is how you could easily solve the question there also. ठीक है? And UTs, Chandigarh, Delhi is the achiever. Puducherry is the fast mover. Rest UTs are under the aspirer category. So I hope this will really help you in solving the questions. Now, as coming to the last question of the day, Leeds 2022 survey report would assist which among the following programs of the government? Is it PM Gati Shakti plan, National Logistics Policy, or National Rail Plan? Okay, so what should be the answer here? Answer here again is option number A, 1 and 2 only. Okay, so when I talk about the logistics sector, it is basically focusing on the logistics. PM Gati Shakti plan that was being discussed in the unit budget, the prime focus of that plan is basically focusing on the logistics sector. ठीक है, that was PM Gati Shakti. हमने पढ़ा भी था रेल कार्गो चीजें पढ़ी हुई थी, 7 sectors that we have discussed that you might have heard also in the PM Gati Shakti. ठीक है, so let's do one thing. You tell me in the comment box what are the sectors that are there under the PM Gati Shakti plan. Let's see how many of you have revised that specific thing. Coming to National Logistics Policy, see recently National Logistics Policy has been released. I have taken a session on National Logistics Policy also. Okay, in my PIB session. Don't worry if you have not gone through the National Logistics Policy. Don't worry, there is a link given in the description below in this video of this National Logistics Policy, of the National Logistics Policy video that I have taken. Kindly go through that video and this topic will also be covered here. Now coming to National Rail Plan, guys, National Rail Plan is not basically focusing only on the logistics sector. It is focusing on some other sectors also. So that's why you could eliminate that National Rail Plan is not the thing where this leads will basically be helpful. Okay. So as this report has assisted, it says the report would assist the PM Gati Shakti National Plan as well as the National Logistic Plan, so that regulatory, that the logistics, infrastructure, services and regulatory environment could be done in a better way. So guys, this was all about your Leeds report. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, TKG, so that you could get all the latest updates. And then to get the access of the PDF of this lecture, what you have to do is you have to subscribe to our Telegram channel, the link for which is given in the description below. Okay. Now still if you have any kind of doubt, you could drop me an email at hello@edutap.co.in. You could even have a call with us on this number, that is 81462-07241. Again, I will say one thing. If you have any topic that you want me to discuss in the upcoming video, kindly comment that topic in the comment box also. I will be looking into those comments, and yes, I will try to make a video on that specific topic also. So guys, wishing you all the best for examination. Keep working hard, keep preparing. Bye bye.